Welcome to your guide on the basic Python syntax. The Python syntax is renowned for its clarity and simplicity, making it ideal for learners and professionals alike. Comments are invaluable tools for clarifying code. In Python, comments start with a hash mark first and are ignored by the interpreter. Single-line comments stand alone, while inline comments accompany code on the same line. For longer comments, use multiple lines to enhance readability. Remember, clarity is key. Now, let's unlock the power of variables in Python. In Python, variables serve as placeholders for objects, providing easy access to stored data. Define your variables with clarity using the syntax. Variable name, GUIR variable value. Choose meaningful variable names for enhanced readability and understanding. Python offers versatile naming options, allowing for clear and expressive variable names. Now, let's unlock the secrets of Python's keywords. In Python, keywords are special words reserved for specific purposes in the language's syntax. To explore Python's keywords, simply run help keywords. In an interactive session, from if to while, each keyword has a unique role in Python's syntax. Now let's take a journey through Python's built-in data types. Python offers a rich variety of data types to suit your programming needs. From integers to complex numbers, Python provides versatile tools for numeric operations. Arithmetic operators allow you to perform basic math operations with ease. Built-in functions like float and int offer convenient ways to convert between numeric types. Explore the capabilities of numeric types with methods like isInteger and bit length. Booleans are essential for expressing truth values in Python expressions. Comparison operators in the bool function help you assess the truthfulness of expressions. Let's unlock the power of strings in Python. Strings are versatile and can be defined using various types of quotes in Python. Escape characters allow you to include special characters like quotes within your strings. Combine multiple strings into one with the plus operator for seamless concatenation. Python offers a plethora of built-in functions and methods for efficient string manipulation. Retrieve individual characters or substrings from strings using indexing and slicing operations. Now, dive into the world of lists in Python. Lists are mutable sequences that can hold a variety of objects, from numbers to strings and beyond. Modify lists effortlessly with index notation and assignment operations. Retrieve specific items from lists using zero-based integer indices, just like with strings. Slice and dice lists to create new ones with just a few simple operations. Unlock the power of nested lists to access inner items with ease. Enhance your list manipulating skills with handy methods like append, sort, and pop. Mastering Python's syntax empowers you to write elegant and efficient code. I hope you enjoyed learning a few of the basic syntax of Python. This lesson is to be continued. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.